Good morning, everyone. Today we're headed to see the super bloom, which is in Carrizo National Monument here in California. And if you don't know what a super bloom is, it's when we get extra rain. So because of all of the storms we had this year, there was a lot more rain than usual. So right now you can actually see the color of all the flowers from space, which is super cool. So we're gonna go there and take some drone footage and walk around, and yeah, we're really excited. We have about an hour and a half to go, I think, or 2 hours? Probably 2 hours to go. Look at these bison we just found. This is the biggest one right here. So pretty. Gosh, I love them. So we just got here and we're gonna walk to the top of the hill to try and get a good view of all the colors in the valley. It's actually really warm. I'm hot. So all of that white is all salt. This is Soda Lake. And we're about to go swimming in the mud. Mud and salt. I put on my bathing suit. I'm gonna go in. Wish me luck. It's gonna be so gross. Nice and muddy. Getting nice and muddy. And Run and jump into the mud. Don't go into Soda Lake. It is not a lake. It is a shallow mud pile with a thin layer of water on top. All right, just got back from hopping into Soda Lake. That lake is like 2 inches deep and it's all mud. Like literally, we were basically just sitting in a shallow mud pond is what I would call it. It was pretty nasty. It was not refreshing at all. It was gross. You can look at my feet. They are filled with mud. Also, this car is kind of trashed right now, but oh my gosh. Honestly, kind of like having a spa day. Yep, exfoliating, mud bath, spa day.